Hi viewers, welcome to Universe World. So today's topic is, what are you manifesting in your life right now? Actually, we manifest so many things knowingly or unknowingly. So that's why today I picked this topic. So pick a card reading. So you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. Let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who chose green pile? What are you manifesting in your life right now? So pile number 1, who chose green pile? So currently you are manifesting your dreams into reality. Whatever you have dreams, you are manifesting those dreams into reality. And you are manifesting some secrets also to get exposed. Maybe it is related to you or to others, or you don't know about some things which are secret to you. So those are revealed to you. You are manifesting to get revealed to you. Knowingly or unknowingly, you are manifesting some psychic powers. And you are manifesting strong intuition powers. So currently you are much manifesting your dreams, I can say. This moon card talks about secrecy also. So if you have any secrets regarding to you or to others, which you think that you want to know about those secrets, so you are manifesting to reveal that secret, or to get exposed to you. And you have some dreams, you are manifesting your dreams also. I don't want to trigger, so I don't want to talk much about this card, but you are manifesting some psychic powers. If you know that knowingly you are manifesting psychic powers, well and good. If you don't know and you are manifesting this, you need to be careful about it. So whatever you are manifesting something secret which you don't want to reveal to anyone, whether it may be your dream, long-term desire, but you want to keep it as a secret. Some secret things you are manifesting, I can say. So let's move on to pile number 2, who chose blue pile. What are you manifesting right now in your life? So pile number 2, you are manifesting love in your life. You may be looking for some love, or you may be expecting some love proposal from knowingly or unknowingly. You are manifesting love into your life. If you are single and you are looking for a partner, you are manifesting your partner. And if you have someone whom you are interested, you are manifesting proposal from them. You are not giving proposal, you are manifesting proposal, to get proposal by them. So ultimately you are manifesting your partner, romantic partner or love partner. You are manifesting partner into your life. Or I can say you are manifesting love. It is purely love partner. Spouse. If you are single and looking to get married, you are manifesting your spouse. Or if you are interested in someone, you are manifesting proposal from them. And very soon you are going to get this opportunity also. Your manifestation is coming true. So very soon you are going to receive that cup of love. Whatever you are manifesting, maybe you know it or not, but you are manifesting that cup of love. So soon you are going to get that cup of love. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose white pile. What are you manifesting right now? Pile number 3, you are manifesting communication in your life. Currently you are manifesting communication. Maybe you are not on not talking terms with someone, or you want to know about any kind of information about anything related to your life, whether it is a personal or professional. You are manifesting that communication to get that information, to receive that message or receive that information. If you are not talking with your friend or companion, partner, you are manifesting that communication with that person again. So whether it is a personal or professional matter, you are manifesting communication to know about something. If it is related to your job, career, you are expecting some communication from your career related matters. If it is your personal life, you are expecting communication from your loved one, whether it is a friend, family, anyone who right now you are not in communication with them. You don't have any communication with them. So right now you are manifesting that communication. You want to have communication with them. So that is what you are manifesting, whether you know it or not. But you are manifesting that communication with that person. If it is a person, you are manifesting that communication with the person. So you are expecting communication from someone, you will manifesting that communication. Finally, you want to change the situation, whatever situation you have, no communication situation, that situation you want to change. So you are manifesting communication from other side, whether it is career related or personal related matters. You are expecting communication and you are manifesting that communication. Let's move on to pile number 4, who choose yellow pile. What are you currently manifesting in your life? So pile number 4, you are manifesting power in your life. You want to be in a powerful position, not in an organization kind of thing. Like you want to be in a powerful position to control the things, control the situation, control the people around you. If you have situation which is not serving you and you are unable to walk away from it, you are manifesting that power to walk away from it. If you have people which is not good for you and you are not feeling or you are not having enough power to cut them off. You are manifesting that power to cut people out of your life who is not serving you. And if you have some things which you need to change in your life to move forward, and you are not feeling enough powerful to change these things, you are manifesting that power. Simply you are manifesting that controlling power, I can say. Queen of Swords is a very powerful queen. So you want to become in this position. You are manifesting this position. You are manifesting to come into this Queen of Swords position. Who can have control over the situations, people, things. She is a controlling queen, and if at all the things, people, situations are not in your control right now, you are manifesting that power, to controlling power, I can say. You are manifesting that controlling power to take control over everything in your life. I think your manifestation is also working. Very soon you will get into that power. So you are manifesting this Queen of Swords position in your life to become a Queen of Swords. So your manifestation is coming true also. So very soon you are going to become a Queen of Swords, so that you can handle the situation, people, things which is not in your control as of now. So pile number 5, who choose red pile? What are you manifesting currently in your life? So pile number 5. Knowingly or unknowingly you are manifesting some wrong things in your life. You are becoming lazy. You are manifesting something which will make you imbalance in your life. I think you are a balanced person. Very responsible person and very determined. You are good at taking decisions. I am getting 2 messages here. If at all you are with a clear mind, determined person, and you are a balanced person, currently you are manifesting that imbalance in your life. Whether it is for good or bad, that's a different thing. You are manifesting imbalance in your life. If at all you are in imbalanced position right now, you are manifesting to come out of this position. If you are in an imbalanced position, or if you are not determined and you are with confused mind and you are unable to make the decisions correctly right now, then you are manifesting to come out of it. Here I am getting 2 messages. If at all you are good right now, you are taking decisions and you are in a balanced way in your life, you are a balanced person and you are determined and you are not at all confused about the things, then you are manifesting quite opposite of it. Whatever you are doing, or I can say whatever position you are right now, you are manifesting quite opposite of it, I can say. If if you are in a bad position, some bad situations are going on in your life, you are manifesting to turn around those situations. So whatever situations, if it is a bad situations, it will turn into good. If it is a good situations, whatever you are manifesting, that will make you to turn into bad. As a person, you are a very balanced person, I can say. Very responsible, balanced and intelligent person. Wise person. But right now you are in that position, or you are in that position. I don't think you are in that position. Based on this card, you are right now, you are not in the position to take the decision. You are confused, I think. So you are manifesting to come out of it. If at all, right now you are not able to take the decisions and feeling confused, feeling imbalanced, you are manifesting to come out of it. It will totally depends on you, on your situation, I can say. If you have everything is going well and good in your life, you are manifesting something which will create imbalance in your life. If at all everything is going wrong, nothing is going right in your life, next your manifestations will, because of your manifestations, you will create a situation, create a good situation, I can say, balanced situation. You create that balance. So it totally depends on the situation, what situation you have. Take it as it resonates. If you are confused right now, next you will going to clear that confusions. You will get determined mind and clear mind, I can say, and you are able to take the decisions. If at all right now you are determined and you don't have any confusions, whatever your manifestation is going on, because of that, next you will get into confusions. You are unable to take the decisions. You will get into confusions. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.